Welcome to Sanjeevani Education Group. Sanjeevani Education Group is a IIT NEET coaching hub which is renowned for producing the rankers in different competitive exams from national level 11th and 12th JEE NEET, Standard 10 NTSC MTSC, 6th and 9 Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik exam, 5th and 8th scholarship exam, 7th Olympiads along with IIT NEET Foundation for all classes. We have experienced faculty who focus on the academic development of students. So dear parents, hurry up. For admission, visit Sanjeevani Education Group, plot number 13, Aditya Nagar, Garkhera, Aurangabad, or call 95112 70135 or 95112 66680.
Welcome students in mental ability online video lecture. In this video lecture I am going to give the solution of questions which was asked by some students. After that I will solve some important questions of 17th April DPP. Let's talk about this question. Question number 9. This question was asked by many students. Let's pay attention to this question. Firstly, read the question. If 9 December 2001 happens to be Sunday, then 9 December 1917 would have been. Options are provided. Option A, Wednesday. Option B, Tuesday. Option C, Saturday. Option D, Thursday. Let's pay attention to the solution. Firstly, find out the difference of years. Difference of year कितना है? 2001 minus 1971. How much it is? It is 30 years. This 30 years having 30 odd days. This 30 years having 30 odd days. Plus, we also consider the number of leap years. Number of leap years in this 2 years. Number of leap years, how much number of leap years are there in 1971 to 2001? 1972, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96 and 2000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of leap years are 8. Total number of leap years are 8, and this 8 having 8 odd days. Okay. First step is difference. This 30 years, 30 odd days. In these 30 years there are 8 leap years, so that we also taken one more odd days of each year, that is 8 years having 8 leap years having 8 odd days. So total number of odd days is how much? 30 plus 8. 30 plus 8 is a 38. 38 will convert into 7 5s are 35. Remainder is 3. How can we convert it? Just divide this total number of odd days by 7. 7 5s are 35 and remainder is 3. This 3 is our total number of odd days. This 3 is our total number of odd days. Once we got odd days, then our method, solution is very nearer. These 3 odd days, whether we have to subtract or add in reference day, that depends on question is backdate or forward date. क्वेश्चन में क्या है? बैकडेट पूछा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. संडे में से वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 3. संडे माइनस 3. संडे में से 3 माइनस अगर हम करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट संडे के पहले सैटरडे, फ्राइडे, थर्सडे. वी विल गेट थर्सडे. रॉन्ग. हाँ राइट. So Thursday is our answer. Thursday is our answer. Option D. Okay. Move on next question. Some students ask doubts of question 4 and question 8 of DPP of 16 April. So let's move on the DPP of 16 April. Question 4. Question 4 is on the screen. If 12th October 1917, if 12th October 1970 is Sunday, then what day of the week would be on the same date 2030? Same method, 2013 minus 2013 minus 1970, 2013 minus 1997. How much is difference? Difference is 16. So 16 having 16 odd days, we'll convert it into by dividing by 7, that is a 2 odd days. Okay. Next to it is how many leap years are between, how many leap years are there. First leap year from 1997 से आगे कौन सा leap year पहला वाला 2000, उसके बाद 2004, उसके बाद 2008 और उसके बाद 2012. So there are total 4 leap years and this 4 leap year having 4 odd days. So total number of odd days is how much? 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Total number of odd days are 6. We have to add this. Why? Because the forward day is asked. So add in reference day. Reference day कौन सा है? Reference day is our Sunday. Sunday में +6 करेंगे. अभी Sunday में +6 हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं मैन्युअली, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, देन सैटरडे इज आवर आंसर. और व्हाट यू कैन डू, जस्ट गिव संडे एज अ 0 और 0 के पहले 6 और 5 लिख सकते हैं और बाद में 1 2 3 4 लिख सकते हैं. तो हमारा नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज कौन सा है? 6 और संडे के पहले कौन सा आता है? सैटरडे. देन सैटरडे इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Okay, still if you have any doubt you may ask. As I am using digital pad, you may understand the spellings and I am also dictating the spelling. If sometimes if you are not getting that spelling properly, then concentrate on my voice. Okay, move on next question. Question number 8 is also asked, so we will solve that question number 8. Question number 8 from the 16th April. Question number 8. Let us talk about question number 8 on 24th of March. On 24th of March 2007 Saturday falls. What day of the week on 5th of November 2019? Firstly make the day and month same. For that we have to consider March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October and November. We are finding the number of odd days between 24th March to 5th of November. After that we will find out the odd days between the years. March, 24th March is given. How much days is left? 31. There are 31 days in March. So 31 minus 24 is 7. April में 30 days होते, we will divide it by 30 days होते, we will divide it by 7. Remainder is 2, that is odd day. अप्रैल के बाद मई 3, जून 2, जुलाई 3, अगस्त 3, सितंबर 2, अक्टूबर 3 एंड नवंबर के कितने 5। इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इस सब की एडिशन करेंगे। 7 + 2, 9 + 3, 12, 12 + 2, 14 + 3, 17 + 3, 20 + 2, 22 + 3, 25 + 5, 30. So total number of odd days we have got from here is 30. 30 को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे, दैट इज अ 2 odd days. 30 को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे, दैट इज अ 2 odd days. इसके बाद हमारे टास्क क्या है, 2007 and 2019. Number of years between this is 12 years. So 12 years के 12 odd days. We'll convert it into, by dividing it by 7 we get a remainder as a 5. So total number of, next to it is a number of leap years between 7 to 2019. So 2008, 2012, 2016, these 3 are the leap years. So these 3 having the 3 odd days. So total number of odd days are 2 plus 5, these 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Total number of odd days are 10. We will convert this 10 into 3. That is a 3 odd days. Total number of odd days are 3. Just add these 3 in Saturday. Just add these 3 in a Saturday. Saturday plus 3. Saturday के बाद आता Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Saturday plus 3 is a Tuesday. So Tuesday is our correct answer. Option C. Now move on. DPP of 17th April. Now let us discuss the sum of the questions of DPP given on 17th of April. Find the day of the week. Find the day of the week on following date. First of all, we will solve first question, that is the 26th January 1950. We are going to find out the day on the 26th January 1950. How can we solve? Just make 2 parts. In right side, we have to write down ongoing year, that is a 1950. In 1950, how many days are there? There are only 26 days. Just convert it into odd days. 26 days are converted as a odd day between 0 to 6. 7 3 the 21, remainder is 5. This 26 is converted as a 5 odd day. In left side, we have to write 1949 completed years. This is ongoing 1950 and 1949 completed years. We will divide 1949 in this way: 1600 plus 49. Why? Because we have already seen first 400, 800, 1200, 1600 having 0 odd day. To simplify, we have written that same. 1600 plus 300 also we have to write, and after that there is a one second. (1949) is divided. 1949 is written as 1600 plus 300 plus 49. Why? Because we have known that 1600 having 0 odd days, this 300 having only 1 odd days, and plus 49 having 49 plus number of leap years. There are 12 number of leap years in 49 years. So 49 plus 12. We can separately find out the odd days. In 49 years, in 49 days there are 0 odd days. In 12 there are 5 odd days. So total number of odd days are 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 5 11. Total number of odd days are 11. So 11 is again converted as a 4. After dividing it by 7 we get remainder 4. So we got here that 4 odd days. We know this chart 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 is, if number of odd days we get 0, then it is a Sunday. If 1, then it is a Monday. 2, Tuesday. 3, Wednesday, and 4, Thursday. As we have got 4 odd days, so that answer is a Thursday. I'm solve this question very fast because I already discussed the concept related with this topic in the video lecture. First of all, watch that video lecture, and after that come to the solution. If you directly looking the solution, then you will not understand. You must have to watch the video of concepts, understanding explanation of the concept related with this topic. Now move on the next question. After this we will find out the another question. We will find out the 5th of November 2000. 5th of November 2000. Or okay, we will find out the 5th of November 2000. Of November 2000. Let's pay attention here. What we have to find out? The day on the 5th of November 2000. What is our method? Just on right side, ongoing month, ongoing year, that is a 2000 में 5th of November तक है. So that write down all January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. January 3 odd days, February as it is a leap year on 1 odd days, March 3, April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3, August 3, September 2, October 3 and नवंबर के कितना है 5 है. नवंबर के कितने 5 because that 5th of November is asked, so that we have to consider that only. तो यहाँ पे on right side number of orders कितना है 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 7 7 plus 2 9 plus 3 12 plus 2 14 plus 3 17 20 22 25 30. टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज कितने आ गए 30. 30 मीन्स 2 ऑड डेज. राइट साइड पार्ट में हमें 2 ऑड डेज मिले. अभी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में देखेंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या है कि अप टू 1999 इज कंप्लीटेड. 1999 कंप्लीटेड है, तो 1999 को कैसे लिखेंगे 1900 प्लस 1600 प्लस 300 प्लस 99 प्लस 99. अभी यहाँ पे क्या है 1600 में 0 ऑड डेज होते हैं, 300 में 1 ऑड डेज होते हैं, 99 में 99 प्लस नंबर ऑफ लीप ईयर कितने हैं 24. तो 99 को यहाँ पे सेपरेट डिवाइड कर देंगे 7 से. 7 1 जा 7 4 जा 1 ऑड डे, और यहाँ पे 7 को सेपरेट डिवाइड करेंगे, यहाँ पे 3 मिल जाएंगे. मतलब यहाँ पे 1 प्लस 1 2 प्लस 3 5 और दिस 5 प्लस 2 7. टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज वी हैव गॉट 7. 7 मीन्स 0 और 0 इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज अ Sunday. So our answer is a Sunday. You may cross check that answer.
Welcome to Sanjeevani Education Group. Sanjeevani Education Group is the IIT NEET coaching hub which is renowned for producing the rankers in different competitive exams from national level 11th and 12th JEE NEET, Standard 10th NTSC MTSC, 6th and 9th Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaidyanik exam, 5th and 8th scholarship exam, 7th Olympiads along with IIT NEET Foundation for all classes. We have experienced faculty who focus on the academic development of students. So dear parents, Hurry up. For admission, visit Sanjeevani Education Group, plot number 13, Aditya Nagar, Garkhera, Aurangabad, or call 95112 70135 or 95112 66680.